This is an easy make-ahead casserole. Right. So what we've already done is boiled off some penne pasta, and we've got this in a bowl. I heard you always like to reserve a little bit of your starchy water.
Yeah,
keep that pasta loose.
Keep it moist, right.
This is one of my supermarket shortcuts, jarred sauce. Find your favorite. I have a favorite brand. I think most people do. So you grab this, and you want to add this into your pasta. So we're just going to pour this in. Now, if you've got some of your own sauce, you can use that as well. Some Parmesan Reggiano.
Nice.
And some fontina. Now, I love fontina.
I love fontina, too.
Good melting cheese, isn't it? Now, I'm gonna give this a little stir because my next supermarket shortcut, we're gonna take chicken cutlets that we bought pre-breaded and cooked at the supermarket.
Oh my God, it's like chicken parm casserole.
It's total chicken parm casserole.
Chicken parm casserole!
That's exactly what it is.
Ah!
And what the beauty of this, you can either buy pre-breaded tenders or pre-breaded cutlets.
Right.
Cut them into 1-inch squares, and then just pop them into the casserole. See how easy this is?
It's amazing.
And the kids can get involved with a lot of the recipes.
Pleaser
yeah,
too, right?
And I'm telling you, it's easy, it's simple. So this is fantastic.
Who doesn't love a casserole, right?
So you pop in this chicken parm goodness. It smells fantastic.
Beautiful.
And what we're going to do
you want a little extra cheese?
Well, we're going to do that later.
Oh,
what
okay,
we're going to do is get this into the oven and get it warm through.
Gotcha.
Once it comes out of the oven warm, we're going to top it with some really melty, lovely shredded mozz and get it back into the oven. I'd be happy to.
I'll get the cold and
well,
you get
I'm
the
told
hot.
we're going to pop that one back here because we already have two in the oven.
Gotcha.
All right, so we've got one that's already been pre-baked in the oven. This is basically warmed through.
Warmed through.
Remember, all your ingredients are already cooked. You're just warming them, right?
You're just bringing it together. Gotcha.
Now, what we're going to do is take the shredded mozz and we're going to make a layer all over the top.
Yum. Okay.
We happen to have a finished one in here, thank goodness.
All right, you put that one in and we'll bring out the other one.
Pop him back into the oven so he can warm up.
Oh, that guy looks good.
I'm told your crew is going to feast on this when we're done.
Oh, they're psyched. Believe me, they're going to be fighting each other for
My
this.
crew on In the Kitchen with David, nobody eats better in the whole building at QVC than my team. All right. Now, we're not quite done yet because one of the nice things about chicken parm is to top it off with fresh basil.
Yum. Oh, it smells so good,
And
David.
it smells great. It's an easy make ahead. And if you want to make a couple pans of these for the holidays, you can freeze them.
They freeze ahead, too.
They freeze beautifully.